everyone, and welcome to BistroBuzz TV, where we share news, views, and opinions across many topics. And today we're going to be talking about and sharing an avocado dip. This is a great dip for everyone, and I do not really like avocados that much, but I wanted to start enjoying them because they are so good for us as far as a healthy choice. So I wanted to share with everyone the recipe that I have come up with, and I should let you know that I have tried so many different recipes for avocado dip. I tried adding so many different ingredients, and finally I found 2 ingredients to add to avocados, and it is wonderful. And I would like for you to try this because, like I said, I did not like avocados at all, and then after I finally found these 2 ingredients to add to avocados, it has really changed my life as far as really enjoying avocados. So I want to share this with you as well. So we'll start real quick with, of course, you'll need an avocado. This one I have already cut in half. And when you do go to the store, for those of you that aren't really sure about if you get a ripe avocado or not, if you find one that has just started turning brown and it's not very green, that is the best kind to get, where when you touch it, you can kind of have just a little bit of an indentation, but there's not very much at all. And it just makes it so easy to cut it, and then you turn it, and then you get the seed out, and then you're able to peel it very, very well. But I must add, please wash your avocado very, very well before you start cutting on that. And what I do is I wash the avocado, I then cut it in half, I put that knife in the sink, and then I get another knife to start actually cutting the avocado, which we'll do in just a few moments. So what you do is you get a ripe avocado, you slice it in two like we've done here, and then I found this really great lemon juice. It's Cecilia, and it's lemon squeeze made with organic lemon juice. I found this at Publix. It's one of the best ones that I have actually found with the taste of this lemon juice. So you may want to try this. This is found at Publix. And then the second ingredient is the tricolor tortilla strips. These are great. It adds just enough of the salt in your avocado. You can tell here that I've purchased the Ms. Culberson's. This is very, very good. There's just enough salt on these that it adds to the avocado, which makes it very, very well. Sometimes you'll probably find when you go to different restaurants and you get avocado dip that it's the salt that you really like in the avocado dip, and you can really taste it really good. So I wanted to find that special blend of the lemon and also the tortilla strips adds just enough of the salt. So let's get started here. So what I do is I half the avocado like I've shown, and then I cut the avocado in the different strips like this. So there's a lot of times I don't smash it completely up because I do like the texture of having some of the little squares. So if you cut it like we've done here, and then you just cut it the opposite direction, it'll give you just enough of the little square on the avocado. So you do the same for both sides. And like I said, I really didn't like avocados at all, but I wanted to start eating something that would give just enough potassium. And you know, you can eat bananas, but bananas I found have a lot of sugar, and that's what I wanted to stay away from. I don't want to add so much sugar to my diet when I'm eating dinner or lunch. So the avocados was the way to go, and like I said, I did not like avocados at all. I don't like them by themselves, but when I do add these 2 ingredients, it changed my life as far as liking avocados. So I'm going to take the lemon juice and shake it just a little bit, and then we will squeeze the lemon juice on top of the avocado. And I add a good amount because I do like the taste of the lemon juice. It's so good. There's some lemon juice though. I have bought a different brand and it did not taste like a real lemon, which I then had to throw away the entire avocado. So this one is a little bit different, this lemon juice. It's the best one I've found yet. So then I'm going to take the Ms. Culberson's tortilla strips, tricolor. We're going to open those up and we're going to pour some on here. This is going to make it so good. It's just so good. It adds just enough salt. I tell you, you try this one time, you will make this almost every night just like I do. And you can see too, if you want to make this for one of your dinners with your family, it just makes a nice presentable dish too. I just love the color that it adds. It's so pretty, I think. So you take your tortilla strips and you toss it with your avocado. And like you can smash your avocado if you'd like, but I just found that it's just kind of the nice texture if you leave it in the squares, and it's so pretty on a plate. You know, in the times we're living in right now, we try to find whatever makes us feel good, and then when we dress our plates up like this, it just adds a little beauty to our dinners. So there you go. Isn't this so easy? You take your avocado, cut it in half, you put some lemon juice on it, and then to serve it, just add a few more tortilla strips on top. It makes it so pretty. And there you go, everyone. You've got your avocado dip. You can put this on your bread. You can put this on your crackers. Eat it with your hamburgers, your chicken sandwiches. It's so good. It's so versatile. So there we go. I wanted to share this with everyone. And real quick, 1 avocado. There again, I've got the Cecilia lemon squeeze made with organic lemon juice. I bought this at Publix. And then we have the Ms. Culberson's tortilla strips, tricolor. You can find these at most stores. I did get these at Food Lion. You can buy these at Lowe's Food as well, and probably those of you that have a Harris Teeter, they have the tortilla strips as well. Okay, everyone. Thanks for visiting and wanted to share this great tortilla dip with you. So have a great day. Please like, subscribe, come back to visit us again soon, where we share news, views, and opinions across many topics. Visit us again soon, everyone. Have a great day.